We are with State Representative Darya Farivar from the 46th District. I want to ask you about one of your bills that has been maybe misunderstood in the media.
It is absolutely a confusing bill, so I'll start by just validating that. I'm really excited about this bill. I brought this bill forward because of the impact it could have on folks who are cycling through serious behavioral health crises and homelessness and continuing to recidivate and cause harm in our communities. I think that this is an important relief valve to address these individuals who are struggling in particular. So what the bill does is it allows for judges to establish terms and conditions for an individual. That could be like reporting to court every month, participating in substance use treatment. It could be to meet with a case manager to establish housing. It could be a lot of different things, but the goal is to address it to what the underlying challenges are that the individual's facing, and that's bringing them into the criminal legal system. If an individual substantially complies with those terms and conditions, this bill then allows judges the opportunity to dismiss those charges and help the individual get back on their feet through those different programs that are available to them.
Seems like a lot of the confusion has been around what exactly are these charges we're talking about?
Yeah, so we're talking about misdemeanors and gross misdemeanors, and I'll say the latest version of the bill has exempted many, many different charges that folks have had concerns about. For example, assault is completely exempted, so nobody who is coming into the system on that charge is going to be able to access this. Things that are still possible to access this diversion opportunity with are things like property crimes, things that are very closely tied with socioeconomic challenges. For example, we see many folks coming into the system on trespassing charges who might have been charged with this because they're sleeping in an unsafe area because they're looking for shelter. This is focused on trying to address the lowest charges in our system that are just sending folks into a cycle to just repeat over and over again. Many of the folks that we're trying to target are True Blood class members as well, or have been class members, which are individuals coming into the system who don't fully understand the charges before them and have to spend much longer going through the system and eating up many of our limited legal resources. This bill is just about misdemeanors. This is not a bill about violent crime, just charges that are closely associated with mental health and substance use and poverty.